5 ways to make money with your embroidery machine. Number 5, at your local flea market, swap meet, or pop-up shop. If your machine is portable enough, you can set up a table at a swap meet, flea market, or pop-up shop and sell embroidered goods. You can have a customer bring items to you or have items for sale that you can in turn personalize for your clients. If a design takes 30 minutes or less, you can do a number of designs during the course of the day at the flea market or pop-up shop. Anything that takes longer than half an hour, you can negotiate with your customer to come back for at a later date or set up a shipping policy that you could potentially ship the item back to the client. Number 4, if you go to your local PTA or school, sometimes sports teams need personalized uniforms and other equipment like bags. You can negotiate with the PTA to be their supplier of embroidery goods. So you can negotiate a deal with your local schools to sell them embroidered goods. Number 3, local fraternities and sororities. A lot of sororities and fraternities have new member gifts and other occasions where they would like personalized embroidered items. You can work with the local chapters of these organizations to be their supplier of those embroidered goods. Number 2, you can sell repurposed thrifted items. You can put a design on an item that you have thrifted and then sell it on sites like eBay, Mercari, or Poshmark. That is a quick way to get a good return on investment on an item that you didn't spend a lot of money on. And number 1, occasion-driven products. So for example, baby's first Christmas, baby's first Thanksgiving, baby's first birthday. All the different types of occasions that happen in people's lives, you can provide a service to give unique gifts for those occasions. So things like receiving blankets for a brand new baby, hats, onesies, other things like that, you can in turn embroider and sell to people either on Etsy, in your neighborhood, people that you know, or sell it online through a website. I hope these are some tips that you can implement and use to make money with your embroidery machines. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.